I quit. Hi guys, it is 6:24 in the morning. I have to go to work, but I wanted to, okay. I have to go to work, but I wanted to film some this morning because I want to get back on my uploading. So I decided to film some and then insert some of the clips that I've gotten over the last couple days. I haven't been uploading honestly because I haven't been in the right mind frame. Like for a while, this whole move and like everything didn't really hit me, but it's been starting to hit me like little by little, and I just didn't realize it. So I just started to get more stressed and more stressed and more nervous, and like not nervous in a bad way, but it's just a really big change from what I'm used to. So I've just been like been zoning out a lot, and it's just kind of like now that I'm close, I have to get into crunch time, because for a while I was like, I guess technically procrastinating, but not purposefully. So I got some stuff to do. So yeah, I just want to get over here and like let y'all know what's going on. So I quit. Well, technically, well yeah, I quit. I still work there until the middle of next week, and then I'm at Debbie's. So a little update on that whole situation. Nothing was ever resolved, but I don't care anymore. I'm gonna be out of there. And you know, this is another thing, is that with the whole thing with quiet quitting, I wish I had, like, I wish I could quiet quit, because y'all know what I just did yesterday? I was asked by my manager to help, like, go over some stuff with him so he knows how to do stuff, just in case they won't have a new hire in time, which they won't. They won't have a new hire trained and all that stuff. My coworker knows how to do most of what I do, just not everything. So I wrote, so he asked me, because he doesn't know how to do a lot of the things I do, and then my coworker was like, can you send it to me too, because one of the sections that you're gonna write, I don't know how to do. And I'm like, okay. Well, why did I write a 7-page basic information manual with step-by-step, I look rough, we're gonna get over it, with step-by-step processes on how to do basic tasks? You think I got like 7 pages out of my noggin? I included, ooh, that was weird, I included like the clip art word titles, made that shit look pretty. I included screenshots and put little circles around the things that section was talking about. Like, I went in 7 pages. Like, you think if you were quitting, you would write a 7-page manual? No, right? But anyways, so I did that yesterday. I'm gonna be out of there soon, so it's whatever. And yeah, so that's what's going on there. I've already applied to about 7 other places where I'm going, and I think I'm gonna apply to a few more. I did get a hit back, and we're at like the give me your references stage. So we'll see how that goes, but I do want to apply to just a couple more, just to see what's going on, depending on, you know, just depending on different things. So that's what's happening there. I'm planning a late birthday party for my mans, That's going to be 2 days after my last day of work, and then the day after that is when we're leaving. So right now I'm like just thinking of last minute things for that. I've already gotten the majority of everything, but I still have a couple things to grab. And then yeah, I don't think he's gonna watch this, so I can say I've already told him something's happening, so he already know already for like the base of what it is, but he don't know all the tricks up my sleeve. But anyways, that's what's happening. I'm gonna insert some clips of I went to, that's my usual alarm going off. I went to this new like store. I'm not sure exactly what it is, like so I'm just gonna say Asian because I don't want to like, I don't know if it's Chinese or Japanese or Korean or any, like, so I'm just gonna say Asian because I don't want to say the wrong one. And they have mochi donuts. If y'all don't know, I can't eat gluten, but do you think I tried that mochi donut? I did. So I can't eat gluten, but they had mochi donuts, and it's weird because some of the things you can't click, like they're whited out, so you can't click it and you can't order it, but whatever. So I ordered a coffee donut, mochi donut. I ordered, they have like the rice balls that are like triangles with the seaweed on it. I don't really like seaweed. I don't mind dry seaweed, but I don't like the one that's still kind of, you know, tastes like fish balls. But they had a curry beef rice ball, and that shit was delicious. They also had a spicy tuna one. That one was good too. It kind of tasted like a tuna fish sandwich. And they also had those fluffy pancakes. Picture right here. Those were good. The pancake itself tasted like, you know, the ice cream cones you get from the grocery store when you want to make your own ice cream cones. It tasted like those, and then the fluff on top was so good. It was like the lightest strawberry flavor, and then it comes with like a strawberry compote or something that you can pour on top that's filled with strawberry flavor, and the strawberries they give you were bomb. What else did we try? I think my friend had a matcha like latte. It wasn't for me. And I think that was it, but they have a lot of different things. I also went to like this arts festival thing at George Mason. I don't know if I got clips for that, but if I did, I'll insert those as well. Yeah, that's basically just only the things I've done. I've been at home or at work or freaking out. Like, y'all, I'm gonna show you my room. Okay, so don't worry about this. This has a cover, but I keep washing it just because these are like the satin ones, and this one's cover is kind of like that one. So, but I lay on this one the most, period, with and without my scarf, and I like to oil my hair. So anyways, we're not gonna mind. Anyways, so the sun's starting to come up. So this is my bed, basically just a lot of covers, and then that's just where I lay. I don't like to lay flat, so I lay like propped. And y'all ready for this? Let me make sure there's no drawers or nothing on the floor. Okay, so that's my desk. As you can see, my mushrooms and stuff are gone. Some of the other things, I still need to pack up some things like my jewelry, my beads, my spudimian, and then my perfumes. I'm leaving that there. I'll probably leave this here. I'm not sure yet. I'll have to, when he gets here, I'll ask him about that. I have to pack up my computer, but obviously I need that for editing. My little peach thing that might stay here though. And then I have to still go through my shoes. For my clothes, I know what I'm taking for the most part, but I need to wash all of them. I need to pack up my books. This is what's going on my floor because I cleaned out from under my bed. and it's just a lot going on. So but I did pack quite a lot of stuff. It's just downstairs. I don't know if I'm bringing that. We'll see. My mirror is most likely staying here. That's most likely staying here. That stuff I don't want. I'll probably donate. I also have a pile of stuff under here that I'm gonna donate. I don't need it. And then over here, just those bins that I went through on that other video. I'm gonna go through the bins all over again because I feel like now that I'm closer, I can be more nitpicky, and the stuff I don't want, I can just get rid of. I think that's like lighting and stuff over there. So yeah, that's what's going on. I have to get ready for work in not too long, and today I have one more day of work this week, and then I am going to be packing all weekend, and then I have like 3 days of work next week, and then I will be leaving by Saturday. Then I'll probably get there around that Tuesday, and then unpack. But you guys will see that and the trip over. So yeah, I just wanted to get a video out. I don't like not uploading for so long, but I just couldn't. So that's what's going on. It is now 6:39, and actually can snooze a little bit. I can lay down for a little bit longer. Okay, I can lay down for a little bit longer, and so I probably will, and then I need to figure out what I'm wearing for work today and go to work. So yeah, if you like this video, please like and subscribe, and I'll see you next video.
Take it away, feeling too good to me. Chilling all day, all in your space is where I wanna be. Here in this room, what did you do? I just can't get enough. Too caught up in your love. I've been trying to forget, but you won't let me. Something in my brain wants you. I've been hanging by myself, asking for help, but nothing seems to work on you. Yeah.